I express my gratitude to Akram Institute of Business and Technology, APTEC, for honoring me this opportunity to stand before you. Actually, I have to leave for Karachi for an urgent call there. That's why I have to speak earlier. Otherwise, as per tradition, I always speak at the end. By the way, first of all, let me congratulate being the paternal chief of APTEC that APTEC has successfully completed 6 years, and the performance of 6 years is before you. The students, meanwhile, have been mature, and the teachers have put their best. The students have excellently performed, and look at the selection of items. Our focus is always on education. Our focus is always on motivation. We want to bring change through teaching, and I am really grateful to you all for your benign presence at our call. I see my teachers sitting here, I see my colleagues sitting here, and I see our guests, even from Nawab Shah sitting here. I'm really grateful to Basit Solangi for sparing time to be with us from Nawab Shah, but even from Sangar. So this is what we have achieved through the platform of APTEC. The lines that I have quoted from Shabdati Bhitai. Shah says, Allah dahi matya dahi rukhalisan. Musi mupirin bhurai me bhalakya. What is use of to be literate? What is use of to be wise? What is use of to be man of letters? When Almighty Allah bestows upon us everything, even sheer ignorance. जॾहिं अल्लाह साईं असांजे मथां इग्नोरेंस जी हालत में बि महिरबान आहे त अकुलमंद थियण जी वाइस थियण जी कहिड़ी ज़रूरत आहे. लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, इट इज़ रियली पेनफुल टू बी वाइस. अकुलमंद थियण, शऊर वारो थियण को आसान ॻाल्हि कान्हे का, ॾाढी ॾुख जी ॻाल्हि आहे. बिकॉज़ वंस यू हैव अटेन्ड विज़डम, वंस यू अटेन्ड कॉन्शियसनेस, वंस यू नो द थिंग्स इन रियलिटी सराउंडिंग यू, ऐं पोइ जॾहिं तव्हां ॾिसो था, यू लुक एट यूरोप, you look at modern countries, and you look at people harvesting the fruits of modernity, fruits of science and technology, and when you see that world progresses by leaps and bounds, and when you see that the youngsters are engaged into motivational and innovative activities, and when you look at your own area, that it is really a painful state. असांखे ॾाढो ॾुख थिए थो त दुनिया में जॾहिं दुनिया तरक़ी जा ॾाका पई तय करे ऐं दुनिया में तरक़ी जा नवां नवां तरीक़ा पिया अचनि, साइंस ऐं टेक्नोलॉजी पंहिंजे उरूज ते पहुची चुकी आहे, ऐं असां हिन नए साइंटिफिक दौर में रहूं पिया, त असांजे पंहिंजे इलाइक़े जे माण्हुनि में शऊर जी जेका हैसियत आहे, जेका जॻह आहे, उहा जॾहिं पुठिते ॾिसूं था त पाण खे ॾाढो ॾुख थो थिए. I have been often telling my students through this platform that असां वटि तरक़ी हासिल करण जा ॿई तरीक़ा आहिनि. That we may prove our talent in field of science and in field of English language. Science and English language का सवाल तरक्की जो ख्वाब मुकम्मल कोने को. And fortunately or unfortunately, these two things are very easy to achieve in today's world. Science या English language माज़ी में को भली को वॾो ॾुखियो कमु हुजे हा, but owing to rapid progress and internet and social media, ये ॿई शयूं ॾाढियूं आसान थी वञनि. तव्हां YouTube जो चैनल खोलियो, and right there the methods of English language teaching, you will be offered thousands of videos that may tell you how to improve your language skills. ऐं साॻे तरीक़े सां if you are interested in science, जेकर तव्हां साइंस में इंटरेस्टेड हो त millions of videos are recorded on YouTube that may teach you different scientific innovations and how to study science. अॼोके दौर में इल्मु हासिल करण का रुचि न आहे, but unfortunately our interests have been different. असांजा इंट्रेस्ट डिफरेंट थी चुका आहिनि. असांजो जेको एजुकेशन सिस्टम आहे अञा बि पुराणे रस्टिक निज़ाम ते हले थो पियो, ऐं अफ़सोस जी ॻाल्हि आहे त 2019 जे एनुअल जे इम्तिहान में सिंध जे एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर खे बि कापी जे लाइ ॻाल्हाइणो थो पए. This is pitiable and I would add it is shameful. इहा वॾी शर्मनाक ॻाल्हि आहे जो असांजो मिनिस्टर चए थो त कापी बंदि कराईंदासीं. What the hell is this? Being a minister, it is your responsibility that you might have copied in the beginning. कापी थिए छो थी जेकॾहिं तुंहिंजी मौजूदगी में as a Minister Education copy that you are responsible for this, and to Baran ke darkar de, to Ustadan ke darkar de, to Pani Nakami ka taslim ka istifa de, the toka copy ban nahi thi sake. Copy ban jaye, responsibility of the state. And asan sab padhe likhal manu baitha hu, we all are literate, and we know very well that without patronage of government, this copy culture can never be initiated and can never be eradicated. Asa manyuta that social sazish hai to keep the talented students of Sindh back. I had once shared this with you and once again remind you all that while I was working as principal in Punjab there is no system of copy. In Punjab, copy means looking at another candidate. When Punjabis know that we Sindhi indulge in such nonsense practice during exam, they get surprised. They are taken aback. Once the colonel, full-fledged colonel of Pakistan Army discussed and debated me and told me that you Sindhis believe that government patronized copy culture in Sindh or the Punjab mafia patronized copy culture in Sindh. Mukhe ji ne ta Sindhi asa nizam anao ta asa Punjabi je kyun ta Sindh mein copy na kare ta copy zimedar Sindhi pan ayo hukumat ke chahte hota hai main copy karayenge. I replied him and I once again shared it to you. मां एपटेक जे दोस्तन के पहिरियां में ॿुधायो आहे ऐं अॼु हिकु दफ़ो ॿीहर सभिनी खे ॿुधायां थो ऐं मां उनखे तारीख़ी जवाबु ॾिनो ऐं उहो ई जवाबु आहे मां उनखे चयो त हर साल CSF जो इम्तिहान थींदो आहे. Every year hundreds of candidates from Sindh appear to compete with your students. तव्हांजा शागिर्द जेके कापी खां पाक माहौल में पढ़ी आया आहिनि असांजा कापी ज़दा शागिर्द जॾहिं CSF जे इम्तिहान में वेंदा आहिनि ऐं बग़ैर कापीअ जे जेके सॼी ज़िंदगी कापी करे पढ़िया पर पोइ बि ज़िंदगी जे आख़िरी इम्तिहान में बग़ैर कापी जे तव्हां सां मुक़ाबिलो कंदा आहिनि ऐं तव्हां खां सीटूं खसे ईंदा आहिनि त तव्हांखे डपु थींदो आहे त जेकॾहिं सिंध में कापी बंदि करे छॾी and if this system is eradicated ऐं सिंध में कापी कल्चर ख़तमु थी वियो त CSS में हिकु बि सीट असांखे न मिलंदी. So this copy culture is properly patronized. This is what we want to eradicate from our ranks. We know that this is poison and we are being poisoned slowly and gradually. But when we see that our students are that much talented that they may perform on any given performance well, अॼु असां जॾहिं पंहिंजे शागिर्दनि खे इंग्लिश में स्पीचिस कंदे ॾिसूं था, अॼु असां पंहिंजे शागिर्दनि खे जॾहिं क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटीज़ ते परफॉर्म कंदे ॾिसूं था ऐं जॾहिं पंहिंजे शागिर्दनि खे क्लास में असां पढ़ाईंदे महसूसु कयूं था त दे आर टैलेंटेड इन एवरी आस्पेक्ट. हर एस्पेक्ट में टैलेंटेड आहिनि ऐं उस्ताद पंहिंजे दिल जमई सां with sincerity and commitment when teacher teach then why the hell we are lagging behind.